Hey guys, welcome back to the video. In today's video we're doing a haul video kind of. So I went to Ulta and did some shopping at Walmart recently and was picking up some drugstore face products for this video, and I decided to pick up a eyeshadow palette that I really wanted, as you'll see in the just in the like little thing I do next, where I show you guys all my products that I got. And so I used everything in today's video, plus a little bit of extra products that I had in my collection already. So I hope you guys really enjoy this Valentine's Day inspired tutorial today. If so, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel before you leave. I am doing a giveaway when I receive 100 subscribers. We are at 51 subscribers right now. When I reach 100 subscribers, I will be doing a $25 gift card giveaway. So make sure you get me to 100 subscribers, guys. Alright, I will stop talking and let's just jump right into this video today. So the beginning of this video, guys, is going to be just me talking about the products that I got in today's haul video. Some products are from Ulta, some products are from Walmart, but a majority of the products are from Ulta, I believe, if not half and half. So yeah, this is mainly, like I said in the intro, a drugstore video, but I do have a couple things in here that are kind of on the luxurier side, only because they're things that I've been kind of wanting for a while and or have already owned, like that. So alright, we're just going to get right into the products, like I said, and then we're going to get on to trying the products. So I'm going to go in first with the lashes that I got. I've already taken them out of the packages and stuff like that. But I got these lashes from Kiss Lashes in the style Gala. I think these are really cute. I love a full volume lash, so they're definitely my style. And I got those ones from Walmart, and I think they were like $5 or $6 maybe. Then I got these ones when I was at Ulta. These ones are Russian volume. These are really full and voluminous oops, as well. So these are definitely up my alley and definitely in my style that I like as well. So I can't wait to try those lashes on. So it's going to be hard to decide which one I want to put on in this video. The next thing I got at Walmart, and it's these makeup sponges. They're really small, and I figured why not pick these up, because I really need some sponges that can get right in my nose crease and in the small areas that's hard to get with the bigger sponges. Alright, so the next products that we're going to go into that I got while I was out at Ulta was the Makeup Revolution Foundation Fast Base Stick in the shade F4, because they didn't have many options, so I'm hoping this matches my skin tone. But it is looking a little bit maybe dark, so I'm hoping, but I might have to mix it with one of my lighter ones, like my Becca one like this. I might have to mix it. But yeah, so that was only like $9. The other thing I got was the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I got this in the shade 12.5, C12.5, only just so I can use this as a contour, because I've really been trying to contour with more cream products instead of just powdered products. So I'm going to give that a try to see how I like it. So I'm kind of excited. The next thing I got, or the next things I got, are actually from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I got the, what is this, a lip exfoliator, and this is in the scent Brown Sugar. There's also one that is a Sweet Cherry, so I'm going to see how I like this Brown Sugar one and go from there. If I like it, then I'm going to get that Sweet Cherry one to see how that is. The next product that I got from e.l.f. is the Poreless Putty Primer. I seen this when it came out on the internet back in what was it, 2019 or was it 2020? I think it was last year in 2020 this came out actually. So I remember when this came out, everybody on the internet was shook about it because e.l.f. had never made a primer like this, and it was actually a really good primer for a drugstore. It's a $10 primer, I believe. So I'm excited to see what it's like because it is vegan and cruelty free. And it looks like e.l.f. has completely changed their brand to vegan and cruelty free. But correct me if I'm wrong, at least just the products that I've looked at so far were vegan and cruelty free. Last but not least of the drugstore products I got was the Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist up to 16-hour wear from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I got this because this is only actually $10 at Walmart, and normally I use the Urban Decay All Night Setting Spray, which this is up to 16-hour wear, and I know with this that I can spray it on my makeup, I can go to bed, and literally the next day I might have to do one or two very small touch-ups, and literally it looks like I did my makeup that day. So I'm really excited to see if this does the same thing that does, because this is $10 and that is $33. This is 4 fluid ounces and this is 2.7. So it's 1.3 ounces less than this one and a fraction of the cost. So if you can do the same amount, or if you can do the same thing that this one can do at a fraction of the cost, I would buy 2 or 3 of these and get more for my money than just buying this and get the same result. You see what I'm getting at here? We love a snag and a deal and a bargain. So that is all for the drugstore stuff that I got. The last thing I got while I was on my beauty haul the last few days was the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe Volume 2 palette. I have all of her other palettes, which is the Volume 1 palette and the Vault collection. So when she dropped this last year, I absolutely fell in love with it, which is honestly surprising for me because I don't really like the purples and the pinks normally in palettes, but just something about this whole color story is speaking to me, okay? I can't wait to play with this, being the fact that it is February. So this is a really good palette for Valentine's Day. So I can't wait to, play with this. So I'm going to stop gabbing. That is all for the products. Now we're going to just jump into the video even more, and more in depth, I should say, and just see how these products work. And yeah, so let's go, guys. Alright, I went ahead and I did my brows off camera. So we're just going to jump right into this. The first thing we're going to go ahead and get into is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And we're just going to go ahead and prime our entire face with this right now. And to do that, I'm going to go in with the Morphe Y6 brush. They don't have this brush anymore, they discontinued it. I think it's called their Y9 brush now, but it's just a flat top kabuki brush. So we're just going to take this and we're just going to dip right into it and start putting it all over our face. Alright, now that we have our primer put on, we can go ahead and put that away, and then we can go ahead and start getting into our foundation. Alright, we're going to go in that Makeup Revolution and just start putting that right on our face. And the shade looks like it might be a little too dark, but that's okay because we can blend this shade with another shade and get the shade that we need for our foundation. Now we're just gonna start blending this in with the It Cosmetics brush right here. This is another just flat top kabuki brush. We're going to go ahead and conceal and contour a little bit. And for contouring, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. And now that I have contoured, I set my face with the Cover FX setting powder. I did my bronzer, and for the bronzer I used Physicians Formula bronzer. Also I threw some blush on, and for the blush I used the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush for this as well. And now I'm just going to jump in with the highlighter right here from Anastasia Beverly Hills X Amrezy, and it's this really pretty goldish shade, and I think I'm going to use this to highlight today. Okay, now we're going to go into the eyeshadow portion of this video. So, like I said, we're going to take that Jaclyn Hill palette that I got. And these are the shades if you guys missed it or skipped through just to the eyeshadow part. Or the makeup part. Okay, so for the eyeshadow part, I'm going to just jump in here with a brush like this, which is just a pretty fluffy brush, like so. I think we're going to come down here and jump into the first shade right here, which is Therapy Sesh, which is this light purple shade, because this is a Valentine's Day inspired look. Like I said, because of the month of February, we're doing Valentine's Day inspired looks. Alright. So my eyes are already primed from earlier. I'm going to just dip right into that. So the next shade I'm going to go in with is Not My Journey, which is down here, which is this purple shade right here. And we're just going to go in and darken the crease and this outer portion. Oops. We're just going to go in and darken the crease and the outer edge up with this shade. Alright, now that we got those two purple shades blended to where we want them, now we're going to go ahead and cut our crease because I am making this look a cut crease today. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this crease and I'll be right back. Alright, now that we have cut our crease, we're going to go in with this shade right here called My Man. This really pretty bright orange shade, and we're going to go ahead and pack that on where we just cut the crease at to, you know, fill in that area. Alright, so now we're going to go in with the Super Beauty Hydro Liner, and I'm going to go in the shade Acid Trip, and we're going to go make a wing liner for this look today. Alright, we have the liner all done now. Now we're going to go ahead and throw a pair of lashes on and some mascara. And we're going to highlight our brow bone just a little bit, and I think we're all done with our look. So, oh, and put some lipstick on. Alright, we're ready. Alright guys, we got our lashes on and we got our lips on as well. And I did our highlighting of our brow bone and inner corner highlight. And that is all for today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Valentine's Day inspired makeup tutorial today. This is normally more than what I normally do in my videos, but I decided why not come at you guys with a full face tutorial today for Valentine's Day coming up, and do something a little different. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you stay tuned for next week on next Wednesday when the next video is posted, which will be another makeup tutorial that is related around Valentine's Day. So yeah guys, I'll see you then. Peace out.